Hello, dear students. Good morning to all. This is the continuation of Chapter 1 Civics Rural Local Self Government. In this chapter, we have seen about the decentralization of power, what is Panchayati Raj, and we have seen a brief of Panchayati Raj. And today we will look at elaborately about the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj. Page number 100. The three-tier system. Under the Panchayati Raj, the village panchayats are the basic unit. So, in the Panchayati Raj, the village panchayats are the basic units. And we have noted that the work of a village panchayat is limited to a village only. That means the works of a village panchayat will be limited to the village only. But there are some situations when a single village cannot fulfill the needs of the people. It may require the help of the other villages also. For example, in a small village, it can look after a primary school. A small village can look after a primary school. But when we look at the senior secondary level, a single village cannot undertake its function. It may require the help of other villages also. So the neighboring villages together will form a group, and that group can be considered as a block samadhi. And this block summary will take care of such needs of people. Let us read in the chapter, page number 100. Under the Panchayati Raj, the village panchayats are the basic units. We have noted that the work of a village panchayat is limited to a village only, and it is of primary type. But there are certain functions or projects which a village or its panchayat cannot undertake. For this, it has to depend upon other nearby villages, and in turn, the villages shall have to depend upon the town. Let us take an example. Village panchayats may be able to run primary schools in their villages, but no single village may be able to run a senior secondary school alone. For this, a number of villages shall have to join hands. So, for bigger common problems or projects, several neighboring villages are grouped together to form a block samadhi. The block samadhi is the second tier of the Panchayati Raj system. The block samadhi looks after the common needs and problems of the villages in a block or tahsil. For example, a village can construct and maintain the roads inside the village, but it cannot construct a road which pass through the other villages to the town. For such cases, the neighboring villages must be grouped together to form a block samadhi, and this block samadhi will construct the roads which passing through all these villages. And the block samadhi is the second tier. The first one is the basic unit, and that is the village, and the next level is block samadhi, and that is the second tier. If we take the same example, a single block samadhi will not be able to construct a road which connects with the different towns. For such cases, they require another upper level, and that is called the Zilla Parishad. So that the Zilla Parishad will construct the roads which connects between the blocks. If we go further, we know that the state highways are not constructed by any district, that is under the governance of the state government. And the national highway is not constructed by the state, that is constructed by the central government. Let us look back to the Panchayati Raj system. So we have talked about the basic unit village, and the second tier is the block samadhi, and the block samadhi looks after the common needs and problems of the villages in a block or tahsil. A block may have several villages under it, but no block samadhi will be sufficient enough to look after the bigger needs of the people life, higher education, development of science parks, etc. So to look after all these, all the block samadhis are clubbed together to make Zilla Parishad. As no block samadhi is self-sufficient, the block samadhis in a district are grouped together to make the Zilla Parishad. The Zilla Parishad or the district council is the third tier in the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj. So once again, dear students, the village will be looking after the common needs and problems of the people in village, but it cannot go further so that the many villages will be grouped together to form a block samadhi, and the block samadhi will look after the common needs and problems of the different villages. And the block has its own limitations, so different blocks will be clubbed together to form a Silla Parishad, and the Silla Parishad will be taking care of the common problems and needs of the higher needs of the people. So the first level is the basic unit, that is village. The second level is the, or second tier is the block samadhi, and the next third level is the, or the third tier is the Silla Parishad. And all the three together, all the three institutions, namely the Panchayat, the block samadhi, and the Silla Parishad, together are called the Panchayati Raj, or it is called the three-tier system of rural local self-government. The next point is significance of Panchayati Raj. After discussing the village panchayats, block summaries and Zilla Parishads, we can well appreciate the significance of Panchayati Raj. The following points are noteworthy. So there are 5 points given in our textbook about the significance of Panchayati Raj, or we can say that the importance of Panchayati Raj. The first thing is that it brought a general and political awareness among the rural masses. Rural masses means village people. That means even the common people, even the village people also understood about the government and its system, etc. Second point is that it has helped to establish democracy at the grassroots level. So the democracy came very closer, and it came grassroots level. That means we have elections in the village level, block level, and Zilla Parishad level also. So it came to the at the grassroots level. The next one is that it has brought government and the people closer to each other. That means if the people are facing some difficulties, they can approach the panchayat or village panchayat to get solution for their problems. For example, right now we are facing the pandemic coronavirus, and the central government is providing food for the poor people. So how it could be distributed, because central government, we know that that is situated in Delhi, and the all the governing bodies and the offices are in Delhi, and they cannot provide the food for everyone in India. For example, someone from Maharashtra, or someone from Assam, or someone from Kerala, they cannot provide food to them. So how could they distribute this food grains, and the necessary items to the common people in a village? That is with the help of this Panchayati Raj. And this village Panchayat will distribute the food to the people. And the village Panchayat will make sure that the people are fed. From this very simple example, we will understand that the government and the people became very closer each other. The next point, people have become partners in decision making at the local level. In the village panchayat, we have a Gram Sabha, and we are coming to that point. Gram Sabha will be discussed in this class. Uh, in Gram Sabha, all the people, those who are above 18 years old, have to attend the Gram Sabha, and they have the authority, or they have the right to share their viewpoints. Likewise, even the common people are engaged in decision making. And the next point is that it has helped in improving the general condition of the people through welfare activities. That means a village can easily implement the welfare activities for its people so efficiently. Dear students, today we have discussed about the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj and the significance of Panchayati Raj. Dear students, you have to underline the important points and write down those points in your copy and learn it very well. We have two more pictures given in our textbook, page number 100. The functions of block samadhi: one is the construction of roads, provision of HYV seeds to farmers. HYV seeds means high quality seeds to the farmers, and improvement of cattle breed. So these are the functions of block samadhi. And on the next page, page number 101, you find a pyramid shaped picture, that is Silla Parishad, Panchayat Samadhi, and Panchayat. Silla Parishad, it works at the district level under the chairmanship of district collector. So the leader of a Silla Parishad is the district collector, and the next one is Panchayat Samadhi. It works, that is Panchayat Samadi means block Samadi. It works at the block level with the block development officer as its head. Block development officer is the head of the Panchayat Samadi, and the Pradhan or Sarpanch or even Panchayat president is the head of the Panchayat. These are the things for today, and dear students, study well. Have a nice day. God bless you.